Jayda Marie Feeds the Birds by Yvonnia H. I like to feed the birds when I go to the park. I like to go early before the day turns dark. Birds come near when they see my popcorn and my bread. They all seem to like it when they are being fed. Some will come out of the water so they can eat. They creep to the food with their funny-looking feet. They get so close it seems that they will poop on me. I scoot back so that they will not make me stinky. When birds see them eating, some more start flying down. Then there are many of them eating off of the ground. Sometimes it seems like they are going to attack. That is the time when it's time for me to step back. Some are bold and still come pretty close to me. I'll admit it sometimes does get kind of scary. Most of the time they all get along pretty well. They enjoy when I come, that I can always tell. Most food is gobbled by the big birds from the air. For the smaller birds, I don't think it is fair. When they finish eating, some of them fly away. Some of them go back in the water right away. It is so amazing to watch them fly so high. I stare until they all disappear in the sky. Sometimes they like to rest on branches of a tree. I have a lot of fun feeding the birds and me. When I'm finished, I throw all of my trash away. Then I'm ready to play for the rest of the day. The end. For more great reading, please visit us at www.shanepublications.com. Thank you for stopping by and listening to our book entitled Jayda Marie Feeds the Birds by Yvonnia H.